Ever wondered how to concoct the perfect biryani in your own kitchen? Fret not, for today we journey into the aromatic world of this iconic Indian dish, known for its rich flavors and exquisite taste. To begin with, gather the ingredients. For a biryani that serves four, you'll need 2 cups of basmati rice, half a kilogram of chicken, 2 large onions, 2 tomatoes, a handful of mint leaves, and a handful of coriander leaves. The spices required include 4 green cardamoms, 4 cloves, 2 inches of cinnamon, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of biryani masala. Also, prepare a cup of plain yogurt, 4 cups of water, a 1/4 cup of oil, and salt to taste. Start the process by soaking the basmati rice in water for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, marinate the chicken pieces in a mixture of yogurt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt. Allow it to rest for at least an hour. As the chicken marinates, heat the oil in a large pan. Add the cardamoms, cloves, and cinnamon. Sauté them until they release their fragrant aroma. Now add the finely sliced onions and fry them until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Next, it's time for the tomatoes to join the party. Cook them until they soften and blend with the onions. To this mixture, add the marinated chicken, biryani masala, and salt. Cook until the chicken becomes tender and the spices mingle well with the meat. While the chicken cooks, boil the rice in another pot with a pinch of salt. Drain the water once the rice is 75% cooked. Now, for the final and most exciting step, layering. In the pan with the chicken, spread a layer of the partially cooked rice. Sprinkle some mint and coriander leaves on top. Repeat the layers until all the rice and chicken are used up. Cover the pan and cook on a low flame for about 20 minutes. The residual heat will cook the rice completely and infuse it with the flavors of the chicken and spices. And there you have it, a pot full of fragrant, flavorful biryani made right in your kitchen. It's a symphony of spices, a medley of flavors, and a true culinary masterpiece. To summarize, the perfect biryani is all about marinating the chicken in yogurt and spices, frying it with aromatic spices and onions, and layering it with partially cooked rice. The dish is then slow cooked to perfection. So the next time you crave biryani, remember you don't need to step out of your home. With the right ingredients and a little patience, you can bring the magic of biryani to your very own kitchen.